What is up, you guys? We are jumping right into this video. We are doing the Jason face mask. This is actually my first time doing it, and I feel so proud of myself because I felt like it came out really decent. I do love this Athena face paint palette. This actually spreads out really nice and even. You can buy this on Amazon for a very good affordable price too. Sorry about the lighting, it sucks. It was getting really dark and I haven't bought any light, so I just ordered some earlier today, so we should be good for the next video. I'm just tapping all over this light brown shade so it gives more of that dirty old look and whatnot, and I'm going to be drawing some of the holes even though they came out a little bit sloppy, but it's fine. And what I'm doing is creating some depth into this. That's why I'm applying a little bit of that white. Later on, you're actually going to see me drag the white paint just a little bit towards the front. It does look a little bit sloppy in the beginning, but later on and throughout this video, I'm going to fix it and make it a little bit more cleaner. I do apologize any of the background noise. I do have my window wide open, and there's a bunch of traffic right near my house and it gets super annoying. I mean, it does happen every night, but you know, what are you gonna do about it? So now I'm just going to be applying some of that brown around the holes. I'm trying to make it pop out a little bit more, and later on I'm also going to blend those into the mask as well. I do want it to look a little bit more like dirty or dirtier, yeah, more dirtier. And yeah, I'm basically gonna do some contour in my nose, add a little bit of shadows. We are getting our shapes done. I didn't like the way my mask was looking. It was looking a little too pale, so I decided to go back in with the Juvia's Pace palette and just darkening up some of the areas that needed to be darkened up. But later on, I'm going to be splitting a little bit of the red paint and using a fan brush and a lot of water. You're gonna see it in just a sec. Oh, well, right now actually. So that is it for the mask. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.